As you know, we're a global company. We have a very large facility in the UAE. It's 8 million square feet with a production facility of 420,000 square feet, producing a range of commercial to, as you can see behind, light armoured vehicles up to MRAPs. The vehicle you see behind now is Toyota Land Cruiser 79 chassis. The vehicle is called a Python. It's a B7 level protection, which is 9.5mm steel, 600 Brunel with 75mm glass. So we have the SUT with the Python B7, which is support utility vehicle, and then you have the Python LAMV, which is the light armoured multi-purpose vehicle. The pickup design is to attach weapon systems to the rear, also to help and assist in taking cargo and ammunition into certain conflict areas, and also peacekeeping for patrolling and so forth. The other vehicle, Python, has increased capacity of seating up to 8+2. Now what I mean by 8+2 is the crew, the dismounts in the rear, and the commander and driver in the front. Gepard ASV is the armoured security vehicle. It's based off a Ford F550 chassis, 145 wheelbase, B6 to B7 armoured protection with composite armour attached to it if required. It has a pickup on the rear to do the dismounts for weapon systems again, or special purpose for transportation of cargo, etc. For inside, you got 5 in the rear, plus 2 driver and commander. We have a large quantity of stock, up to 1,000 vehicles at any given time. Our production line, we have multiple production lines with multiple platforms, so we can act and with quick response. The SHERP is an all-terrain amphibious vehicle. It's a 1.5 litre diesel engine. Unique feature of this vehicle has a central tire inflation system coming direct from the exhaust fumes into the tires itself. The advantage of this is meaning that we can go in any terrain and change and adapt the vehicle to its surroundings at any moment of time. It's mainly used for in the jungles, rescue missions, as we can cross any terrain. Every day you can see the vehicle at 10:30 and 3:30 on a daily basis. You can see the unique features of this vehicle at the live demonstration. What you see behind is the Triton. It's a B6 armoured boat used for tactical and patrolling multiple areas around the world. It's a new product launched currently. B6, it's a CEN level, stops a 7.62 AK-47 weapon system. It's a 6.5mm steel, and hardness is 500 Brunel. We design the hull, manufacture the hull, and then mount the actual cabin to the hull itself. It's then protected with polyurethane, polyurea, which will give the additional tensile strength. It's very nice. It's 250 twin horsepower V6, giving a maximum speed of around 100 kilometers an hour. It can be mounted in the front with a full range weapon mount, and also turret or escape hatches on the roof, and additional turret for up to 11 to 12 dismounts. So this is a mobile checkpoint. The mobile checkpoint was developed a few years back. Personally, from my own experience being on the ground, what I've experienced is the police in multiple countries are setting up checkpoints without any protection. So what we've done, we've incorporated this protection of armoured vehicles into the checkpoint itself, attaching to our multiple range of vehicles and drop them off in certain areas. The checkpoint alone is a B7 protection or B6 protection, 6.5mm or 9.5mm steel. Weapon system can be operated from inside. Not only the unique feature of the checkpoint is the fact that we can customize it for the client's needs by passing documentation through, controlling the flow of traffic with control arms. Unique feature of this, we have more of a luxury checkpoint directly behind me. It's a portable toilet with 360 IR cameras with a DVR 72-hour recording system on.